Alright, here we go. Hello?
Hey, this is Catherine Osborne from the Sheffield Center. Is this Mr. Chase?
Yeah, this is Samuel Chase. Is everything okay?
Yes, Mr. Chase. I was just, going through the payments from last week. I see you have an attempted payment here for, four...
Hello? This is Northline Technician Chase. Samuel Chase. Do you read me? Hello? This is Northline Technician Samuel Chase. Holloway 1, do you read me? Are you guys even there?
Hi, Chase. I read you. Barely. This is Holloway Tower 1. I'm Martin. Good to finally have you out here. I've been waiting. You ready to work?
Yeah, copy, Martin. They said you'd be walking me through this. What's the damage?
Well, this is Tower 7. Originally one of a bunch of high-altitude towers built by the Air Force as part of a spiritual successor to the Gwen network. It provided reliable alternative spectrum radio communication. When satellite picked up, obviously they didn't need that anymore, so this thing's been mostly untouched since '99. Now we bought it, gotta turn it back on, see if we can repurpose it to get a connection to the valley towns like Holloway.
So they think it'll just come back to life like that after 4 years?
Things built tough. We've been able to get similar towers on pretty easily. You have the key to the comms building, right?
Yeah, of course.
Should be just around the side of the tower. Can't miss it.
Alright, I'm in the comms building.
You'll need to get the power on before we do anything else. I think the switchboard is in the engineering room, according to these blueprints. That should be ahead of you.
Hey Martin, any idea why they'd put a Faraday cage in the comm station?
What? No, there's a Faraday cage.
Yeah, kinda defeats the purpose of a comm center.